My name's Gill Bowskill. I'm part of the service user group working with the School of Health, and that means that we're trying to support students in their learning. So we'll do interviews, we do workshops, we do simulation. The centre point of all healthcare is the patient care. I have this image of a big wheel, and the patient is the cog in the middle, and all the spokes are all the different services. So the council contribute to patient care, the university in the learning and the research, and the hospitals and the GP. It's a real big picture. We're going to have keynote speakers, and we're going to have a panel representing different areas of health. So we want you to ask them questions to make the event more meaningful. There's nothing worse than coming to an event and you think, why did I come? But if you engage and really make yourself part of it, you will get more enjoyment and more knowledge out of that. So we hope that you'll be able to enjoy it.